So I'm from St. Louis originally, grew up here, moved out to New York. Mowgli and I met while working in the Brooklyn food scene. Starting a restaurant has always been a passion of mine and ours together. We were genuinely excited about what was happening here in St. Louis, watching the food scene develop, watching the city itself develop. We actually felt that in order to be ahead of the wave, we actually need to do this now.
We discovered Fox Park and really saw potential here. So yeah, it just reminds us of Brooklyn, which we wanted to try and recreate some of that here.
We run a all natural wine program here, so things like temperature are very important. We already knew the quality of True, knew the True brand. True not only makes a great product, but they're based here in Missouri, and that was important for us.
We were really trying to be a neighborhood restaurant. We're like, okay, I think it's gonna work. With no exaggeration, hundreds of people have come through the door that say they live 2 doors down, 1 block away, 2 blocks away.
That sense of community for me has always been ingrained in cooking style and things like that, using local farmers, using local ingredients, supporting families, through the way we purchase.
I'm a chef by trade as well. Putting together curated menus for different themes and whatnot is definitely one of my strengths. Since we're calling ourselves a modern neighborhood restaurant, how can you get to the most people with just satisfying tastes? I think we are elevating some things, but it's all very approachable food.